Hi everyone, it's Miss Katie, and on today's episode, I found a project that brings my two favorite things together, which are art and science. I absolutely love both, and I really love when I have a project that I can work on that brings both of those worlds together. And so on today's episode, I thought we could play around with magnets. See that? Now, you guys have seen magnets in our classroom, and you probably have some magnet tiles in your house, so you already know how magnets work. And like I said, this is an art project. So, what are we going to be doing exactly? Let me show you. All right, let's get started. You see here I have an empty shoebox. We're going to use this to put our paper inside of. I also have some tempera paint, some tape to secure our paper in place, that magnet that I showed you, along with some metal objects. You guys can use whichever ones you have at home. I have a piece of paper, and this piece of paper is going to actually go inside of our box. All right, so here you can see I'm taking the paper, placing it in the box. Now I will grab some tape, and I'm just going to tape this piece of paper securely inside the box. And once I have this paper securely inside the box, we're going to grab our paint and the magnet and the screws and the nails and whatever sort of objects you guys have at home that are metal that you think will stick to a magnet. And we're going to use those objects to paint with. And I can't wait to show you guys. All right, let's grab some paint and let me show you what I'm talking about. Start with my green paint. Just put a little bit freely on the paper wherever you feel like it. And some blue paint. And this project is great because there's no right or wrong. And you guys can use whatever colors you feel like. And of course, my favorite color, purple. And there's no one design that you can make with this. It's awesome. You guys can just make over and over again like I did. All right, I'm going to take these metal objects and place them in the box on top of the paint. And after I put these metal objects in here, I'm going to take my magnet underneath my box. And let's see what happens. Oh, did you see that? Through the box, the magnet is still powerful enough to move these metal objects, and I'm using them as paintbrushes to paint on my paper. Wow, do you see that? It almost looks like magic. I can't even believe it. Swirl it around and around. What sort of patterns can you guys make? All right, let's look at my finished product. You see, I even was able to draw a heart, and I didn't even have to use my finger to do that. I used a piece of metal with my magnet. I can't wait to see yours. All right, everyone, that was so much fun. Who knew you could use magnets to paint? And I didn't even have to use my hands. All I did was use the force of magnets. So imagine all the other things you can use magnets for that maybe you hadn't thought of before. And that's going to be all for today's episode. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.